everybody, how are you? It's Miss Leona again. Today's letter is a great letter. Today's letter is the letter A. The sound of the letter A is ah, ah, ah. The action for the letter A is like ants crawling up your arm. Ah, 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 ah. Today's letter, we also, I'm going to write the letter, but I can't remember. Where do I start? Thank you. We start the letter from the top. Thank you for remembering. Super, super job. Okay, today's letter, we start from the top. So let's have a little gander how to start. Okay, start from the top. Hope you can see it. Down, down, and across. That is an uppercase letter A. Lowercase, hope you can see it, is around. Start here. Around, up, and a little baby tail. Can you see that? Lowercase A. I'm going to take my water bottle and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to, do you think I can do it? I think I can too. Start at the top, so we can see it there. And we go down, down. Look at how I have to make it extra big. Down and across. Can you see that? Miss Leona made it really messy. Lowercase a, start here. We go around, touch, and a little baby hook. So I'm going to go around just in case you can't see it. Around, around, around. Touch, touch, touch. And a baby hook. Little letter A. Okay, we're going to look at our objects and you choose which starts with the letter A. We have a pen. We have the car. We have the astronaut. We have an apple. We have a banana. We have an alligator. We have a marker. And we have an airplane. And we have toothpaste. Now I want you to tell me what objects begin with the letter A. One last look. Good job. Remember, the sound of A is ah, ah, ah. The action is ah, ah, ah. Thank you very much. Have a great day, guys.